everyone, and welcome to Inspired by Nikki. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I'm adding some touches of spring decor to my kitchen. Now, I'm really excited to be sharing with you that this is a collaboration with Hilary from Old World Home, and I'm going to stop right here and let her introduce herself.
Hi there, my name is Hilary. Over on my channel, Old World Home, I'm going to be spring cleaning our sunroom, which is a space that we completely renovated last summer, but over the winter it has just become a work zone and has become very, very messy. So come along with me as I clean it up and get it fresh and ready for spring.
Hilary is so great. I'm happy that I am finally doing a collaboration with her. She is so inspiring in the fact that she just gets in there. She doesn't wait around for someone else to do something, especially when it comes to the renovations of their house and all of the different projects that she does. That is something that I think you would enjoy if you haven't seen her channel yet, is just going over there, seeing all of the different projects that she does and the way that she cares for her family, and just truly a remarkable woman. Sometimes when we're decorating, we're just kind of out of ideas. We don't know which direction to go with something. I love inspiration, so I like to find a piece, a pattern piece of some kind that already pulls different colors together, and I do this with my wardrobe as well. But when I was at TJ Maxx, I found this really beautiful apron, and it has peach tones in it, coral, it has greens and, you know, sage greens, just different colors, and I loved everything about it. And so I decided to use that piece as the inspiration for decorating my kitchen this spring. And something that I had done was I had Jorge hang this hook system right here so that I would have a place in the kitchen area where I can have all of my aprons, but it's kind of tucked away, out of the way. Even when you're in my kitchen, seeing the aprons hanging there, it really does play nicely with all of the other touches that I added within this kitchen. Now, something that I usually do is use different colored soaps as a way to decorate, depending on what colors I'm using. Any of these colors that I have would really go in here still, even with this, but I decided just to keep it with the clear dish soap this time. We don't really have much space to hang anything in here as far as artwork goes, so I wanted something to add some color, and so I decided to use this cookbook stand as a place to display some art that I just created. Now we have this hook system right here, and I was previously using it for all of these utensils, and I just had them all hanging there, but I decided I'd rather have cups hanging instead of utensils. I put all of the utensils in this picture that I already had, and I love the floral detailing on that picture. I think it's perfect for the spring. Now, one other way that I'm adding that peach tone to this kitchen is by utilizing what I already have, which is my salt and pepper shaker. The salt is the pink Himalayan salt, and I think that it just matches so well. And so certain things that you decide to put out and display can be very useful, and you just grab whatever colors it is that you may be decorating with at the time. So even if I were to have, say, some dishes that match this tone, I would display them right now. However, I really don't have many dishes that are any other color. So those are just some subtle ways that I like to add decor to my kitchen. I hope that this was inspiring for you. Again, thank you to Hilary for participating in this collaboration with me. It's so great to have finally been able to do this. And if you are coming from her channel, I just want to welcome you. And if you haven't heard of Hilary's channel, please go and check hers out. I'm going to leave her channel in my description box below. And until next time, I hope that you all take care and have a beautiful day. Bye, everyone.